Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how you can open a Revolut account. So in order to create a Revolut account, you can either use an application or a web browser. If you're using an application, you'll have to install it. So for that, head over to your respective Play Store, and after that, on the search box you have to go ahead and type in Revolut. Tap the install button in order to install the app. So in my case, I'm using a web browser. So for that, exit out of your Play Store, and on the search box type in revolut.com, and that's going to directly take you to the other field or the official page, which is going to look something like this. Now while you're on this page, tap the tab bar icon from the top right hand side corner and go ahead and tap on the sign up button. So now it's going to take you to the page where you will have to create an account. So after you tap on the sign up button, it's going to ask you to provide in your personal information, your contact details, and you also need to register or verify your identity by providing the government issued ID or a license. You have to create a login field, which means you have to create a username and then a password. As soon as you're done with that procedure, then it's going to ask you to go through the terms and condition. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to the home page, indicating that you've successfully created your Revolut account. So that's basically how you can create your Revolut account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.